In Bohr model of hydrogen atom, the ratio of periods of revolution of an electron in n equal to and n equal to 1, n is equal to and n is equal to 1, okay, orbit is option A 2:1, B 4:1, C 8:1, D 16:1. Now using the formula, okay, now using the formula we know frequency is equal to frequency of an electron. The frequency is equal to angular frequency omega by 2 pi, okay, frequency is equal to omega by 2 pi or equal to m mass of electron, z square means atomic number, charge of electron to the fourth power, okay, divided by 4 epsilon naught square n cube h cube, okay. But now we have to calculate the ratio of the period of revolution, means time period. So time period t equal to reciprocal of frequency, okay. So its reciprocal of frequency means 4 epsilon naught square n cube h cube divided by m z square e fourth. For hydrogen atom z is equal to 1. For hydrogen atom z equal to 1, okay. So z is equal to 1, so t time period, so n cube 4 epsilon naught square h cube, h is Planck constant, divided by m z square is 1, so e fourth, okay. But this factor is a constant, okay, this one is a constant factor, okay. So epsilon naught is constant, Planck constant is constant, mass of electron is constant, and charge is also constant. That means total this factor is constant factor, okay. That means n equal to constant into n cube. So time period equal to constant into n cube. That means Tn is proportional to n cube, okay. The time period is proportional to n cube. But here n1 is equal to 2, so n1 equal to and n2 equal to, let n2 is equal to 1. So time period t1 by t2 equal to n1 cube by n2 cube. So n1 cube is 2 cube divided by 1 cube, means 8 by, so ratio of the time period is t1 is to t2 equal to 8:1. Thank you for watching.